Knife attack. So the old classic ice pick grip from Psycho movies, the United States of America, the 50s, the Psycho stuff. This kind of hacking. So we're not doing a quick hacking. We're not doing an ice pick gesture. We're looking at a gesture where we go into the carotid artery and break an artery and kill a person. So it's thrusting. So you got to put your body weight into it. So I'm gonna have a backhand shot, round hand shot. In Aikido they call this a Yoko Manuchi. I'm gonna go right in here, right into his neck, right in here. Right into here to perf. Right in here to perf the lungs. Right in here. Right in here. Kill shot. So I'm going to defend against that with my own tegatana and go into a kensetsu waza, standing manipulation, joint manipulation. So he comes at me with a backhand, real slow first. He's coming into my neck here, see? So I can go on the outside with this, or I can go on the inside. So I'll come to the inside. Comes at me. I can stop the knife here, just like we did before. Come up and around, purchase a grip on the wrist and the elbow. I step in front of the person, strip the knife, and get the weapon. So that's a disarm. If he does it with that hand, come into the neck here, I can do this, pass, break the arm here, turn, strip the knife out, and throw him down to the ground. Or put him over my knee here and stab him. But most likely I would cut a tendon and move along. Non-lethal force again. I want the camera there filming me plunging the knife into his neck. Then I'm up for murder one. There we go. So, strike comes in, here. I can turn this. Take the knife out, cut. Cut him. A slash will be superficial. A slash will be superficial. A thrust where we bend the knife, that's where we use rubber knives because the knife will bend. We want to stick this about 6 inches in. It's going to go into the body. You know psychologically he knows he's gotten stabbed, and I know from watching the knife bend that I scored that point, got that strike in, that suki, that thrust. So he stabs into me a couple times. Killed me. Oh, killed me again. There could be only one. And then I step off the line, and I break it, or I strip it, kick him in the groin, take him down, whatever my job description allows. But we're training to take that shot, that committed shot. If he starts doing that sewing machine stuff, I'm just gonna hit him in the face. Because he's not committed. I'm gonna hit him here, and then I'm gonna take him here and take his knife from him. Hit him in the groin. Okay? If I got this now, he tries to pick and I just go here, see? There's the lock. There's the knife. There's a takedown, bam, there's the throw. If he thrusts hard at me to stab me, I gotta get my body off the line, you see that? Then I can do a technique. And then he's down. Here's your knife back, sir. So that's how this would work. That answers the sewing machine attacks, like this. People doing that nonsense on YouTube versus doing a committed thrust. Stabbing him for real. We do kidney shots like this too. Kidney shot. Perf the kidneys.